has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern McDowell County in western North Carolina, northeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, southwestern Caldwell County in western North Carolina, northwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Burke County in western North Carolina, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Marion, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Morganton, Marion, Drexel, Glen Alpine, Lake James State Park, Table Rock, South Mountain State Park, Lake James, Nebo and Thermal City. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Burke,
Doubleheader,
Cleveland, McDowell, and Rutherford. Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for southeastern McDowell County in western North Carolina, northeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, southern Burke County in western North Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles northeast of Rutherford, or 10 miles north of Bostic, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Salem, South Mountain State Park, and Glen Alpine around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Morganton, Drexel, Valdez, Rutherford College, and Connolly Springs around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Sunshine, Thermal City, Oak Hill, Geysersville, and Union Mills. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Burke, McDowell, and Rutherford. Tornado